Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Behind the Yellow Door. We had an exciting night last night because
we have a baby!
Which is why we are in blue today. Baby Charlie made his sweet arrival today. They headed to the hospital last night, and we could not be more thrilled. Mom and baby are doing great. So we are all out of sorts today, but we are going to walk you through the store. Actually, I'm going to have Kate walk you through the store, and she's going to show you some great new arrivals that have come in. And we are going to show you what Allie has been working on, some wonderful merchandising at the store, so we'll kind of pan around the store. And we just could not be more excited. We're so happy to have baby Charlie here, and we hope you'll have a great week.
Come on in! Okay, y'all, we have done a lot of refreshing this week. Allie has been working her magic in this room and redoing a lot of our home goods side. And there are so many things that she's pulled out and displayed that look so amazing. So I am gonna get a little clip of the whole table just so y'all can see some of the awesome things that we've got in the store right now. Okay, y'all, one of my favorite things that we have gotten a bunch of in recently are the pomegranate napkins. We've got a set of 4 napkins. We've got all kinds of tablecloths and oven mitts and just some really, really fun patterns and prints. And we've got a lot kind of strewn around the store right now, so you'll need to come on in and check out all the fun different prints that we have. Okay, y'all, if you've been in the store recently, you may have noticed we're doing a little construction and working on a new display case. So we are getting shelves on both sides, and we really can't wait to show you how it looks when we really finish and make it look wonderful. Okay, y'all, Memorial Day is right around the corner, and if you are planning on hosting a fun patriotic party, you need to come on in because we have got all the red, white, and blue right now. We've got some really, really fun little placemats from Rosie and Beck. We've got all kinds of glasses and napkins and table runners, and you will have the most fabulous party. You all know my favorite thing are clothes, so obviously I have to show you some of our new arrivals on the clothes side. We just got in a fabulous shipment from the Alden Adair line. It's a relatively new line for us, but we're so excited about it. It's just such fun, springy colors. I've got the little shift dress button down that's two-toned and just fabulous and flowery and beautiful. I am also wearing a top from them right now that I love so much. It's got little women's and just super happy and fun. And these are just really great pieces. They won't last long though, so come check them out. I also wanted to tell y'all we just got a huge new shipment in from Mariposa, and those are our best-selling frames. They are classic and the perfect gift. We can even ship them back to Mariposa and have them specially engraved for you. It's great for vacations or anniversaries, and it would also be an amazing graduation gift. Okay, y'all, that's it from me this week. Y'all come in the store and shop online, and Sunny and I say have a good week.